As a warrior and as a peacemaker, it depends on you. It depends on you taking a stand and understanding that, you know what? God has called me to be a peacemaker. Let's do that as a church. Let's establish that. Let's make it where there's not even enough room for everybody, because it's a call to warriors to put God first.
Bring out your muscle cars, extreme off-road vehicles, and exotics for the Ultimate Warrior Car Show, held on October 9th. Email us at uwc@elevatelife.com with information about the vehicle you wish to enter into the car show, or if you need more information. As a bonus, Warriors, you can purchase a VIP ticket for only $20 and bring someone new out to ELC for the Ultimate Warrior Conference. Visit the lobby for more information and to get your VIP ticket.